Yung taking of property by government for public use o tinatawag nating expropriation. Kailan ba madidetermine yung value ng property na kinuha ng gobyerno for public use? Is it the date of the filing of the expropriation proceeding or the date when it is taken by government for public use? And this is a case where the expropriation was done way back in 1990, no? At yung government engineers and surveyors pinuntahan yung tao, tinignan yung property niya at malamang merong masasagasaan sa kanyang private land ng isang government infrastructure project. And matagal hindi ginawa pero nakafile ng expropriation proceeding, and after almost a decade kinukuha na ng gobyerno yung property. Siyempre, nung final yung expropriation proceeding in 1990, mababa yung halaga ng lupa, pero a decade later or so, mas mahal yung value ng property. At dito nag-rule ang Supreme Court na ang determining factor dito ay yung pagkuha, yung actual na pag-take over ng gobyerno sa property a decade ago para ma-determine kung ano ang fair market value. And to determine just compensation, the date of the taking, no, shall be considered as the date when the valuation shall be made.